If you own a Panasonic deck phone and the button keys are intermittent, it's worth trying out this cleaning procedure. It's also worth trying out on any device that uses this button keypad arrangement. Remove the batteries. This phone had 2 screws holding on the back. Remove them. Using a small flat-bladed screwdriver, gently insert between the 2 halves of the case to remove the back cover, taking care to lift over the retaining lugs to avoid damage. Remove the screws retaining the PCB and the battery charging studs. Gently lift the PCB out of the case. Here are the keypad contacts. Mine was poor and intermittent using button 1. Use a piece of tissue dipped in methylated spirit. Clean the PCB pad connections and then dry off thoroughly. Repeat the procedure for the button keypad. Reassemble the phone. Carefully click the case together. Insert the batteries and try all the keys. As you can see, the cleaning was successful. If this has not worked for you, obtain some electrically conductive paint like this. With a small flat-bladed screwdriver or something similar, coat each of the pads on the button membrane. Allow the paint to completely dry before reassembly.